Welcome to our channel. Selling your house quickly requires strategic planning and decisive action. Here's how to expedite the process. Step 1. Price your home competitively by researching recent sales of similar properties in your area. Consider pricing slightly below market value to generate immediate interest and potentially multiple offers. Step 2. Enhance curb appeal with simple improvements like fresh paint, landscaping, and cleaning. First impressions are crucial for quick sales, so ensure the exterior looks inviting and well-maintained. Step 3. Declutter and stage your home to help buyers envision themselves living there. Remove personal items, excess furniture, and organize closets to make spaces appear larger. Step 4. Hire a professional photographer to capture high-quality images for online listings. Most buyers begin their search online, so stunning photos are essential for generating showing requests. Step 5. Work with an experienced real estate agent who specializes in quick sales. They have established networks of buyers and know how to market properties effectively for fast transactions. Step 6. Be flexible with showings and accommodate buyer schedules, including evenings and weekends. The more accessible your home is for viewings, the faster you'll find a buyer. Step 7. Consider alternative selling options like cash buyers or iBuyers if you need to close extremely quickly and are willing to accept a slightly lower price for the convenience and speed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.